Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on ratio worksheets. So this video has a few slides where we're given some worksheets so we can practice doing some work on ratios. Now, if you're not sure what to do, we had a lesson on this particular topic. Now, the last slide on this video, there is a link. When you click on the link, that will take you back to the lesson and it will explain how to do each of these. So basically, for these 12, so you've got 6 questions here and another 6 there. So simplify each of the following ratios. All we do is find a number that divides into both of those evenly. It's very similar to simplifying fractions. It has to be the same number. So I look at each of those, and the knowledge of tables should help you find a number that divides into each of those evenly, and then the ratio can be expressed in simplest form. It's exactly the same principles here where you have 3 numbers. So here you can have a ratio with 3 separate numbers. The exact same principle applies. Find a number that divides into each of those numbers evenly, and that will allow you to express each of those ratios in simplest form. Answer each of the following. So number 1, in a class there are 18 boys and 24 girls. What is the ratio of boys to girls in simplest form? What is the ratio of girls to the total number of students in simplest form? What fraction of the total number of students are boys? Number 2, in a zoo there are 24 monkeys and 30 snakes. What is the ratio of snakes to monkeys in simplest form? What is the ratio of monkeys to the total number of these two animals? And what fraction of the total number of these two animals are snakes? And the third one, the line below is divided into 10 equal parts. Answer the questions. So each of these little intervals here are all equal, and there are 10 of them. That's all that means. First question, what is the ratio of AB is to BC? That purely means the length. So this length to that length, that's what it means. What is the ratio of AC is to BD? What is the ratio of AC to the total length of the line? What fraction of the total length of the line is BC? Now, as I said earlier, if you're not sure what to do, the next slide you will clearly see that there is a link. If you click on it, that will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do everything in this particular video. So this video has presented some slides where we have some worksheets where we can practice doing some various questions on the topic of ratio.